GSM submission of memorandum eager Bopanasi, Srimati Anjali Iring, General Secretary, East Siang District Vendors Association.
Ayo do, hilo ko samoy bingam laga pa. Hilo ko muluk go memorandum nganyong kondolong poribia. To the chief guest come honorable member of Legislative Assembly 30 Pasigat East Siang Assembly Constitution Government of Arunachal Pradesh. Subject memorandum. Honorable Sir, we on behalf of East Siang District Vendor Association apex body of vending communities in the district of East Siang effective of all Arunachal Pradesh Hacker and Street Vendor Federation and apex body of vending communities in the state of Arunachal Pradesh would like to pass few line of the welfare of the vending communities. Before you, for your kind attention and sympathetic action, please. 1 number, up graduation of all Peace Market building, Pasigat Bazaar into multi-store with basic amenities and remaining of building as second-hand cloth vending market complex. That's day by day youth of our communities are graduating and dropping their academics career from different fields in search of their livelihood and taking responsibility to look after their families, which led them the misery and the shortage of income sources. In this 21st century, on local youth and actively participating in business activity, but we could not accommodate them in hygienic and proper manner. Some youth are engaged themselves in drugs abuse due to mental stress and out of income sources, which is directly or indirectly affecting the societies, as well as the government in large. To overcome such situation, we should show them right path and lead to social engagement. 2 number. Instruction of upgradation of Peace Market Domail Pasigat into multi-store building with basic amenities. That's are due to rapid population expansion in the district. The administration concerned could not more than 2,000 vending communities in their upgraduate building at main market Pasigat, due to which maximum of vending communities are operating their day-to-day business at footpath by making traffic movement more categorized by the making the street unhygienic and body effective the benefiction of Pasigat township area. That sir, East Siang District Administration have temporarily unmarked allotted present Peace Market Domail Pasigat to meet vendor death to in under unhygienic and disciplination condition, which is the feasible for next 2 years. Two number, proper unmarking demonstration. 3 number, proper unmarking demonstration of daily vegetable market seed Ruxin. That's the per record of daily vegetable market seed Ruxin and it is compound RCC wall has been constructed under the SPA found in the year 2011 for selling perishable, non-perishable vegetable items, with awarding valid trading license to the vendor. It is also present to you, sir, that only 17 January 2019 the local administration had convened a meeting under the chairmanship of ADC Ruksin and subsequently shifted the daily vegetable vendor to the new venue of 1 February 2019, but till today the proper and unmarked demonstration of the new venue had not been carried out by the local administration, due to the which the daily business activity of the vendor are badly hampering and create hub in the market. In such circumstances, a proper unmarked demarcation of the seat is urgently needed in nature. And finally, we hope your proactive and people-friendly leadership shall look into the genuine demand above, so that the more smartness of vending communities could make its lone smart city Pasigat more vibrant one. Thank you.